Unit 5, Wonders Vocabulary. Approximately. The recipe called for approximately 2 cups of oil, so I did not measure exactly. If two things are approximately the same size, they are nearly or about the same size, but they are not exact. Astronomical. Something astronomical relates to outer space or astronomy. The space exhibit included amazing astronomical instruments to study the stars. Calculation. Mina did a quick calculation to figure out if she had enough money for 6 tickets. When you make a calculation, you do math to find the answer. Criteria. Criteria are rules for judging something or making a decision. Blood pressure is one of the criteria or rubrics that doctors use for evaluating your health. Diameter. The large pizza pan has a diameter of 14 inches. You can measure across the center of a circle to find its diameter. Evaluate. When you evaluate something, you examine it closely to determine and decide its value. Reading food labels can help you evaluate the nutritional value. Orbit. It takes a year for the Earth to orbit the Sun and a month for the Moon to orbit the Earth. An object that orbits something circles around it again and again. Spheres. A sphere is anything that is shaped like a ball or a globe. Basketballs, soccer balls, and baseballs are spheres, but footballs are not. Next set of words. Assume. Caitlin could only assume the cat broke the flower pot. When you assume something, you take it for granted or you suppose it is so. You don't have proof, but the evidence points you to believe that answer. Guarantee. To guarantee is to make sure or certain of something. With such dark clouds approaching, Henrik can guarantee it will rain soon. Nominate. The team will nominate the best candidates to run for class president. If you nominate someone, you suggest or propose that the person should be chosen, such as a candidate for an office. Obviously. If something is done obviously, it is easily seen or understood. The hand-knitted scarf was obviously too long for Marta's little brother. There's no guessing, we can tell right away. Rely. To make a basket, Calvin must rely on the skills his coaches have taught him. To rely is to trust or depend on someone or something. Supportive. When you are supportive, you provide approval, aid, or encouragement to others. The audience's supportive applause boosted Claire's energy. Sympathy. Eric's dad offered sympathy when his team lost the game. If you feel sympathy towards someone, you feel and understand their troubles. Weakling. A weakling is a person who lacks physical strength. Being tired and ill in bed made Emily feel like a weakling. And our last set for Unit 5. Agricultural. Sam and Gina gathered apples and other agricultural products for the market. Something that is agricultural has to do with farms or farming. Declined. If something declined, it grew weaker or smaller in number or quality. Because many businesses closed, the town had clearly declined over the years. Disorder. The veterinarian examined the cow for a stomach disorder. A disorder is a sickness or an ailment. Identify. If you can identify something, you can tell exactly what it is. People are able to identify my dog not only by his dog tag, but by his smile. Probable. The probable cause of the shattered window was Jake and his soccer ball. Something that is probable is likely to happen or to be true. Thrive. If crops thrive, they are successful and strong. Some plants manage to grow and thrive even in the snow. Unexpected. As the wildebeests drank at the river, the crocodile's arrival was unexpected. Something unexpected is not planned for or predicted. It is a surprise. Widespread. If something is widespread, it is happening over a large area or affecting many people. Starlings, introduced from England, are now a widespread bird species. And those are our Unit 5 vocabulary words.